Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick overview and overall comparison between these two social media tools, which is Metricool and Zoho Social. So I'm going to review the quick overview, the strength and the weakness of these two platforms together with the overall conclusion to help you decide which of these social media tools would be a best and safer option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Metricool is a data-driven social media and digital marketing platform that excels at analytics, performance tracking, scheduling, and competitors analysis for marketers and agencies. Talking about Zoho Social on the other side is a user-friendly social media management tools built for businesses and teams, especially for those already using Zoho ecosystem, offering publishing, monitoring, and report features. Now, revealing the strength and weakness of Metricool social media tools. Talking about the strength, it has an in-depth analysis and customizable reports together with competitors and hashtag tracking, together with Google Ads, blogs, and web traffic integration. Revealing the weakness of Metricool platform, no engagement inbox or reply engagement management, a fewer collaborative tools for teams, and no native AI content writing or a discovery tools. Now, talking about the Zoho Social on the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness of this platform. So, revealing the strength, it has a smooth integration with a Zoho CRM and other Zoho tools. It has a real-time scheduling and monitoring together with collaboration. A clear interface with a good user experience, which is part of the strength of this platform. Now, talking about the downside, it has a limited analytic in-depth compared to Metricool, no advanced competitors tracking, and lack AI-driven content suggestions or writing tools. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So if you were analytics focused, multiple channel performance tracking, and need a strong reporting across digital channel, the best and safer option for you is to go for Metricool. And on the other side, if you need a simple integrated tools for publishing and managing engagement, especially if you were already using a Zoho app, just go for social. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two social media tools would be your best and the safer option for you to use in 2025. Thanks.